A strange visitor drifts through the void, silent and cold, carrying secrets older than humanity itself. Scientists watch its slow approach, unaware that what hides inside could rewrite everything we thought we knew. Imagine an object from deep interstellar space arriving not as a comet, not as a fragment of rock, but as a container, a vault. And inside that vault, something impossible, something crafted, something alien waits to be discovered. This is the story of 3I Atlas, and the world where it wasn't just a cosmic traveler, but a messenger. When astronomers first detected 3I Atlas in 2024, it immediately stood out. It came from outside our solar system, following a hyperbolic trajectory, just like Oumuamua and Borisov before it. Its shape, brightness patterns, and rotation made it difficult to classify, with some researchers wondering if it could be hollow or structured. Now picture this. Instead of dust and frozen gases, instruments detect metallic signatures, geometric reflections, and unnatural radio silence. Slowly, the idea spreads. What if 3I Atlas isn't natural at all? What if it contains something placed there by another civilization? And what if that something is still intact? Space agencies scramble to redirect telescopes, mapping the object in higher detail. Infrared scans reveal uniform temperature patches, unusual for a tumbling comet. Radar imaging picks up internal cavities that don't match any known natural formation. Every hour brings new clues, each one pointing toward the same unbelievable conclusion. 3I Atlas may be carrying alien artifacts. No one knows whether they're ancient relics, scientific tools, or a message meant to be found. But one thing becomes clear: Earth is no longer just observing the universe. The universe may have reached out first. A rapid response mission is launched, using ion propulsion to intercept the object before it slingshots away forever. Astronauts prepare for one of the most dangerous encounters in human history, approaching a structure that might not be a structure at all. As the craft docks with 3I Atlas, the first real images reveal metallic ridges beneath fractured ice, arranged in patterns too precise to ignore. A hatch-like feature appears beneath layers of frozen material, perfectly symmetrical, untouched for what could be millions of years. Then comes the shocking moment. A faint electromagnetic pulse radiates from inside 3I Atlas, as if triggered by their presence. Suddenly, fears rise. Was this thing dormant or waiting? The crew carefully removes sections of the icy crust, exposing a chamber carved into smooth walls, lined with strange filaments. These filaments resemble biological material fused with technology, like circuitry grown instead of built. Inside the chamber sits an object the size of a human skull, but crystalline, faceted, and glowing faintly with internal light. Scientists on Earth erupt into chaos, trying to decode its shape, suspecting it might store data or even serve as a communication device. As the artifact is retrieved, 3I Atlas begins shedding dust trails far more luminous than before, as if reacting to the disturbance. Telescopes detect rising energy around the object, and speculation explodes. Is this a beacon, a warning, or a distress call? Back on Earth, the artifact is placed in a sealed lab designed for extreme extraterrestrial isolation. The crystalline surface is scanned with spectroscopy, revealing complex patterns that seem deliberate, a language carved into light. Each symbol appears to shift when exposed to different wavelengths, forming layered instructions or memories. Then the artifact activates. It projects a three-dimensional map of multiple star systems, including our own, with highlighted paths connecting them in a network. This network looks like a travel route, created by a species capable of navigating deep interstellar space long before humans evolved. The most shocking part: Earth's star is marked with a symbol that repeats throughout the artifact, as if it had been visited or... Scientists debate endlessly. Was this object a survey tool launched by a long-extinct civilization, a time capsule meant to preserve knowledge across the galaxy, or something far more personal, an encoded message addressed to whoever discovered it? As analysis continues, another feature unlocks, revealing images of environments not found on any known world: forests of metallic trees, oceans illuminated from below by bioluminescent organisms, structures rising like spirals shaped by gravity itself. Humanity is confronted with the truth. We are not the first to explore the stars. We are not even close. Meanwhile, the remains of 3I Atlas begin to break apart under solar heating. Probes racing to collect final data, record interior compartments collapsing like a mechanical organism, decaying after centuries of drifting. It becomes clear that the object was damaged long before reaching us, possibly torn from its original system by catastrophic events. This thing may have traveled thousands of light years, carrying fragments of a civilization desperately trying to survive. TRT fact, once decoded further, appears to contain warning patterns linked to supernova signatures, black hole disruptions, and planetary destruction. It might be telling us what happened to its creators, or hinting at dangers still spreading across the galaxy. Governments struggle to decide what to reveal to the public, fearing global unrest. But leaks occur, and soon the world learns the truth. We have made contact, not with living aliens, but with the echoes of them. Religions re-evaluate creation stories. Scientists launch new interstellar missions. Nations pause conflicts to prioritize space defense and exploration. For the first time in history, humanity shares a single, unifying realization: we are a part of a larger cosmic story, one that began long before us. People look up at the night sky, not with fear, but with a sense of belonging, as if the universe finally acknowledged our existence. And deep in secure research labs, the artifact glows brighter each day, as if unlocking more secrets the closer we come to understanding it. Then a breakthrough occurs. The symbols align into what appears to be a final message, one that could change everything again. A single phrase, translated from layers of encoded patterns, emerges with terrifying clarity: prepare for their return. Whether this refers to the artifact's creators, their enemies, or something else entirely, no one knows. But humanity is no longer passive. We begin building new telescopes, expanding deep space networks, and preparing missions to trace the star routes shown in the artifact. The search for life is no longer speculation, it is an urgent priority. A mission defined by destiny rather than curiosity. 3I Atlas eventually disintegrates completely, leaving only fragments drifting like cosmic ashes. But its legacy transforms our species forever. We become explorers, not because we choose to be, but because a message from across the galaxy demands we continue the story. The stars feel closer now, not distant pinpoints, but invitations waiting to be answered. And somewhere out there, something else may already be on its way. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like the video, subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the mysteries of the universe, and share this with anyone who loves imagining what else might be waiting in the dark.